Hello everyone, welcome to the HardVC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the reflection quality in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to go to video, and then we're going to scroll down to the reflection quality. So here you can adjust this to whatever quality that you want, from low to medium to high to ultra. And once you've done that, just press save to save your settings. And then once you come back, you'll see that the reflection quality has changed. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.